the Senate. We'll keep you updated in case of any other developments in Isiolo County. But let's take a look at what you'll be waking up to tomorrow on Kenya's Bold newspaper. Just to remind you, it's all to do with the innocent blood that was lost during the Saba protests shed by police. A 6-month-old child will grow up fatherless. The man who prayed to raise him gunned down after before he could return home. In Kiambu, 12-year-old Bridget Njoki was shot dead while watching TV in her living room. In Kitengela, a mother spent the night guarding the body of her deceased son. When the gunfire stopped, at least 11 lay dead. In a blood-soaked echo of Saba, Kenya's streets have become execution grounds. As Gen Zs marched unarmed for justice, bullets answered their cries, most fired from behind, striking down those running for safety but never reaching it. Pages 4 and 5 have more details, but the front page has the faces of the Kenyan lives that were lost during the Saba protests. One of them as young as 12-year-old who was killed in Kiambu. That's Bridget Njoki. Make sure you grab yourself a copy and find out more about the innocent blood that was lost yesterday during the Saba protests. All right, we want to take a short break right here on KTN Prime, but when we come back, Ashley Mazuri will be having a one-on-one conversation with sharp minds who'll be joining her right here in studio. We'll be hosting the former Makueni Governor Kivutha Kibwana, Dr. Ekuru Okot, the party leader of Third Way Alliance, and Michael Agwanda, a political analyst. They'll be conversing the after effects of the Saba demonstrations, perhaps drawing similarities to what was witnessed in the 1990s. One of them, Kivutha Kibwana, was actively present during the Saba protest, and equally the way forward in terms of the government being a listening government and what exactly should take priority if dialogue is the route forward. All that coming up right after this break. Stay with KTN Prime.